two very friendly and brotherly countries, Pakistan and China. Tomorrow, inshallah, we are leaving for our visit to our great friend China, and we look forward to meeting Chinese leadership and have very productive and fruitful discussions with very visionary President Xi Jinping and Premier Li and other Chinese authorities to promote and further enhance our business, our strategic and our cultural relations with the two countries. I feel and strongly believe that CPAC has been a game changer in building our business relations between the two countries. And so far, billions of dollars of investment under CPAC has already been committed by Chinese companies, and as a result of that, Pakistan was able to escape massive load shedding during those years, and our industry and agriculture was able to come back into life, because 20 hours power outages at that point in time had crippled our economy. So CPAC has been the game changer, and now is the time to build our B2B business relations. This will not only further augment CPAC's dividends, but it will expand business relations between Pakistan and China. And there is huge potential. What Honorable Minister S.M. Iqbal and Chaudhry Sadiq Hussain and Ambassador Nongrong have just said, I will not repeat that.